Hello students, welcome to our today lecture. Today we are covering another external command, that is xcopy command. So dear students, basically the xcopy command is used to make the Xerox copy of a file. So how we are using xcopy command, for that we are covering this practical session. So dear students, here in this practical session, first of all we have to make two folders. Our first folder is for source and our second folder is for destination, which means that in source we have a file which we want to make a copy in another folder, that is destination. So here I am making two folder, number one is source and number two is destination. So dear students, you can now here you can see the source folder is empty and also the destination folder is empty. Okay, so now first of all we are creating a text file inside source folder. So how we are making such a text file? So dear student, for that we have to write copycon command. What we have to write here? I am writing copycon command so that I can make a file, that is text file. So first of all we have to write copy, then we have to write con, pressing then the name of the file, that is demo.txt. Now we are pressing enter and typing our message. So our message is hello. After pressing this we are pressing enter and then we are saving our data by clicking on Ctrl plus Z, so it can show you can copy a file. Now dear student, we want to see whether the file is copied or not. So here you can see the file is copied in source file. Now I want to make a copy of file with the help of xcopy command, and the file is copied from source to destination. So for this purpose we are taking the help of xcopy command. So first of all we have to write xcopy. Okay, so dear students, if you want to make a Xerox copy of a file that you have created under source folder, okay, and the name of file that you created, that is demo.txt, which contain a message that is hello. So if you want to copy this file from source to destination, then you have to use the xcopy command with the address of source and destination. So for that you have to write xcopy, and after that you have to write the name of file, that is demo.txt. After writing this text you have to give the location of your destination. So here my destination folder is under C drive, so first of all I have to give C drive, then I am giving the location, that is destination. So after typing this, that is C drive and slash destination, okay, we are pressing enter. So after pressing enter you can see a message appear, that is a file copied. So after this you can see your destination folder where the demo.txt file is copied. So dear student, this is the example for xcopy where you can make the Xerox file of your original text file or some other file. So thank you for joining our today session.